In this video, I'll be showing how to replace an exhaust camshaft position sensor on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the engine. Let's get started. Let's remove our oil cap, set it aside. I like to put on the hood latch. Then on the lower right corner, we're going to locate a T30 screw. Go ahead and remove that. And set it aside. Now that my oil cap is off and my screw is off as well, I'm going to go ahead and pull up on the engine cover. So pull up on the right side. You'll find two rubber grommets. I'll set the engine cover aside. Now let's remove the foam. Just pull up on the corners. And we can set this aside. Now that my engine cover and foam is off, I can locate my exhaust cam position sensor right here on the lower side of the engine. I'm going to use a pick to undo the red connector clip. As you can see, now it's up. I'm just going to pull up the connector and set it aside. Inspect for any corrosion or damage. Now we're going to go ahead and remove this sensor bolt with a 10mm. Here's my bolt. We can set it aside. Now I'm going to pull up on my sensor and remove it. If it doesn't come free, just use a pick and pry up on the edges. Be careful not to break it. And there it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean my mating surface with some brake clean and a rag. Now for our new exhaust camshaft position sensor. I'm going to take some manufacturer approved oil and lubricate the O-ring. Now we're going to install it. Just going to slide it in and push down. I'm going to install my bolt. Going to get some hand threads on there first. Now we're going to torque this to 89 foot-pounds. Once that's torqued, we can install our connector. Slide it in. Make sure you hear that click and push down the red tab. Again, make sure it's secure. Now let's go ahead and reinstall our engine cover foam. Gonna align the tabs. Now for our cover. Remember, there's 2 rubber grommets. We're going to line these and push down. I'm going to reinstall my oil cap. And finally, my T30 bolt. I'm going to thread it in by hand first. Then snug it down. Now we're going to make sure the cover is firmly in place. And that looks good. And that completes our install. Go ahead and start the vehicle, take it for a road test, and ensure you don't have any codes. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.